Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about old iPhone versus modern iPhone. So when comparing old iPhones to modern iPhones, there are several key differences highlight the advancements in technology, design and functionality. So today we are gonna talk about it. Let's get started. Old iPhones, example iPhone 4, iPhone 5 are smaller, more compact design with a 3.5 to 4 inch screen. There is a use of aluminium and glass with a more boxy shape. Physical home button is present in these old iPhones and larger bezels around the display. But in modern iPhones, example iPhone 13, 14, 15, there are larger screens ranging from 5.4 to 6.7 inches with edge-to-edge displays. Sleeker, more ergonomic design with curved edges or flat edges depending on the model. And also they have Face ID technology replacing the home button with a notch or dynamic island and minimal bezels maximizing screen real estate. Now, in old iPhones, the Retina displays with lower resolutions and pixels density, LCD technology with decent color accuracy but lower contrast ratios. But in modern iPhones, there are Super Retina XDR displays with higher resolutions and pixel density. OLED technology providing better color accuracy, higher contrast ratios, and HDR support. Also, promotion technology in some models offering 120 Hz refresh rates for smoother scrolling and interactions. The main comparison is battery life, charging and the camera. So old iPhones basic camera systems with single lenses and lower megapixel counts and limited features like HDR, low light performance and basic video recording capabilities. But in modern iPhones, advanced multi-camera system, dual, triple or even quad lens setups with higher megapixel counts, features like night mode, deep fusion, pro raw, pro res video recording and advanced image stabilization, superior front-facing cameras with better resolutions and features like Face ID and portrait mode. Lastly, modern iPhones significantly outperform older models in almost every aspect including design, display, performance, camera capabilities, battery life, software support and connectivity. If you prioritize cutting-edge technology, enhanced user experience and future-proofing, a modern iPhone is the clear choice. However, if your needs are basic and you prefer a more budget-friendly option, an older iPhone might still suffice, though it will lack many of the modern conveniences and features. So that's it guys. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.